Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. From this article, you will learn why handlooms are a great choice for sustainability despite their high prices. Let's get started. What are handlooms? Handlooms are traditional weaving machines used to create textiles by hand. Instead of using huge machines that can produce thousands of pieces in a day, handlooms allow skilled artisans to weave fabric one piece at a time. This process can take days, weeks, or even months, depending on the complexity of the design. Each piece is made with care and attention to detail, resulting in patterns and colors that machines just can't replicate. India boasts a variety of handloom fabrics, each representing its unique cultural heritage. In Tamil Nadu, Kanchipuram silk is celebrated for its vibrant colors and intricate designs, while Banarsi silk from Uttar Pradesh is known for its luxurious brocade work, often worn at weddings. Patan Patola from Gujarat features stunning double ikat patterns, and Mangalgiri cotton from Andhra Pradesh is lightweight and colorful. Chanderi from Madhya Pradesh combines silk and cotton for a sheer texture, while tan saris from West Bengal are cherished for their breathability. In Gujarat, Bujori wool showcases traditional motifs, and Kota Doria from Rajasthan is known for its lightweight check patterns. Ikat, found in Odisha and Telangana, features beautiful, blurred designs, and khadi, a handspun fabric, symbolizes India's commitment to sustainability. Why are handlooms more expensive? Skilled labor. Weaving on a handloom requires years of practice. Artisans spend hours honing their skills, which adds value to their work. Time-consuming. As mentioned earlier, the handloom process takes time. Each piece is woven carefully, which means fewer products can be made in a given time frame. Quality materials. Handloom fabrics are often made from high-quality, natural fibers like cotton, silk, and wool. These materials feel good and tend to last longer than synthetic options. Artistic value. Each handloom creation is a piece of art. The designs and techniques used often reflect cultural heritage and stories passed down through generations. The sustainability factor. Eco-friendly production. Handloom weaving generally uses less energy than mass production, which often relies on electricity and machinery. Many handloom artisans work in small communities and use local resources, reducing transportation emissions. Durability. Handloom fabrics are made to last. Because they're woven with care and quality materials, they often withstand the test of time better than cheaply made clothes. Supporting local communities. When you buy handloom products, you're supporting artisans and their families. This helps keep traditional crafts alive and provides a fair income to those who create them. Reducing waste. Handloom production tends to be intentional, with fewer resources wasted. Plus, many artisans create items from leftover materials, turning potential waste into beautiful products. Making smart choices. So, what can you do? If you want to embrace sustainability while also appreciating the beauty of handlooms, consider choosing quality over quantity. Instead of buying lots of cheap clothes, invest in a few high-quality handloom pieces. Educate others by sharing what you learn about handlooms and sustainability with your friends and family. Handlooms may be more costly than mass-produced fabrics, but they bring with them a wealth of benefits. So next time you shop for clothes, think about investing in a piece of art that not only looks good but also does good. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: handlooms are traditional weaving machines that produce unique textiles through a time-consuming and skilled process. Handlooms offer numerous sustainability benefits, including eco-friendly production, durability, support for local communities, and reduced waste. By choosing handloom products, we can support sustainable practices and appreciate the artistry and cultural heritage behind these unique textiles.